If you subscribe to a dividend reinvestment plan on the ASX or the NZX, I'm going to show you how you can track that automatically with Sharesight. To get started, go down to the holding in which you'd like to enable automatic DRP tracking. So for our example, I'm going to use FMG. From your holding page, just note all of the payouts that you've received. Any of the ones that have the little lightning bolt icon will be reinvested if you enable automatic DRP tracking. If you subscribe to your dividend reinvestment plan, not from the beginning, but say halfway through, then just make sure that you confirm any of the payouts that would not be reinvested before you enable auto DRP tracking. So if you're happy with this and you're happy for Sharesight to reinvest every single payout that you've received up to date, then simply scroll down until you see holding settings and then click on the turn on link to enable auto DRP tracking. From here, it just gives you a warning on what I just told you about. Any unconfirmed payout will be automatically converted to a reinvestment. So for me, that's fine. So I'm going to click on turn on. So as you can see, what Sharesight has done is it has converted all of your payouts into reinvestments and has added them to the all trades and adjustments table here. If you do need to go in and edit any of these, just select the DRP that you'd like to edit and click on the edit link there. And then all of the dividend reinvested details can be found in here, and you can make any updates as you need to. You also have a few options on how Sharesight handles your DRP. So if you go down to holding settings, go to DRP settings, and then you have the option to select one of these 4 options from the drop-down menu. So for example, if you click on round down and track balance, what Sharesight will do is keep track of the balance when you're not able to buy a complete share for your reinvestment, and it will keep track of the balance you have on your behalf. And that is how you track a dividend reinvestment plan on the ASX or the NZX with Sharesight. Thank you for watching.